today we're going to be doing the 3 a.m. slime challenge. We're not going to be making fluffy slime because I don't have shaving cream right now. So we're going to make regular slime.
Let's put the blue in.
Okay. Don't put a lot. That's a lot. Okay, now let's add some glitter. You guys made it so gray. It was like white. Okay, now let's put some glitter in it. Let's put some glitter in it. I'll put glitter in it and you keep mixing. I'll put it over there. You can't really see us right now. Yeah. You can't really see us though.
But we're gonna show them.
What do you need?
Hurry up.
What?
It's already 3 a.m.
Glitter?
That thing what you're using for the glue.
Not yet. Until it's done.
It's already 3 a.m. Hurry up.
Okay, wait, check for real. Oh, okay, so we put the glue in now.
Don't put it. Okay, mixing.
Okay, so it's not.
It's very dark.
You can't really see us.
They can see my face up.
Can I see us?
They can see me. Right here.
Switch on the lights. The kitchen. We should have get a better view. I think that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Okay, keep mixing.
Okay. Oh, looks like gray, you guys. Okay.
Glitter everywhere.
Guys, it literally 3:02.
So it's 3:02. It's 2 past 3. Nothing else happened yet.
Yeah,
But what if the lights flicker?
then why did you want to do this challenge?
I wanted to do it because you wanted to do it.
You were the one. You said wake me up when it's 3 a.m. Okay, that's it. Let's put the cake. More glitter.
I put every single color. Duh.
That's pink. You ready for the glue tracer?
Okay, that's enough glitter. Okay, can I mix it now?
Okay, so now she's gonna mix it and I'll put the cake.
Kind of chunky. It's hot. Wait. Does it feel really real? Or I don't like it when it turns like that. You have to mix it a lot.
Oh, I love mixing.
No, I'm gonna mix it.
Okay. I'm gonna put the cake.
Oh, we need it again because it's gonna get sticky again. Oh, I don't like it when it turns like this.
Right, I'll keep mixing the rest.
Okay, so
This totally smells like dyed. It's no. My gosh. Some is getting on the floor. I got glue on my hands. Okay, you guys, it's already 3:04.
4 past 3.
Nothing bad has happened yet.
No.
So we got this a fake, and it actually is, but like we don't have a time and we can't only just see it on the phone. I wish we could let you guys see it, but we don't know how to. Yeah. Wait, here you go. Sparkles itch.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna go around my hand because there's sparkles all around my and glue on my hands. It's not even slime, it was on my hands. Okay, so yeah, it's literally nothing happened right now. And let's play with the slime now. Okay, and now it's 3:06 and nothing has happened to us, nothing bad.
That's almost coming.
Yeah, me too, I tell your mom. So yeah guys, so all of the 3 a.m. videos, they're fake. All of the 3 a.m. videos.
Why are you whispering? We can't hear you.
Okay, so all the 3 a.m. videos are fake. But I don't wanna wake up your parents. I love this. That totally feels like dye. Okay, it's just like dye, right?
Kind of fluffy.
Oh yeah, it's kind of fluffy. So guys, here it is, and
How are we gonna wash this?
put it down the sink. Go to the bathroom. Okay. And so we're like literally watching a TV and my cousin's sleeping. Watching TikTok. Oh gosh, there's more slime on the camera. Guys, what's the real like? It's 2555 270 because I kept pausing the video, so don't think that I'm just saying it because it's fake. No, it's real. It's literally 3 a.m. I wish I could have my camera, but you know how it works. No. Oh, I thought someone turned off the lights. Okay, guys. Good night. Do I end the video?
Yeah, sure.
Good night.
So, if you want to make slime at 3 a.m., you could make slime, but like literally nothing really happens.
Yeah. Yeah, so
I thought something was gonna happen, but